All right, hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create modules within the Google Classroom Learning Management System. Google Classroom calls them topics, but I will show you how to set them up. So the easiest way I found is if you go over to Classwork and hit the blue Create button. You have all these different options, but for our purposes, we're just focused on creating topics, or these are like your module sections. So topic, I will call this week one materials. I'll even put a little number sign before the one, week number one materials, and then I just click the add topic button and you'll see it pop up here. So students won't actually see this topic until work is added to it. But I could keep creating topics like, for example, maybe the following week, week number two, I need to add new stuff. So I could call this topic week two materials and I would add that. So now they would see this. You can also group these modules. So say if you wanted to move week one to the top, above week two, it automatically puts the most recent week at the top. So I'll create another one here. I'll call this one week number three materials. And it automatically puts it at the top, but I would like to make sure that they're in order so I can click on week three materials and then drag it down so they're all in order. Once there is material in there, students will be able to see them in this same order. They can go to the classwork tab and it will look very similar to what you see on the screen.